something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away.
Then dip me underway. You can fill my mouth with flow. Hold me till I scream forever breathe. And wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby.
Okay, so there was no luck at Value City. And I'm a little sad about it because I thought that I was gonna be able to get a couch today, which I know, you know what I'm saying. I explained it to the lady whenever I got in there, like, I need a couch like ASAP. She was like, I mean, like same day. And she seemed like she understood, but she didn't understand. And no couch today, so I think I'm gonna get something for while my family's here, and then just get whatever I need later. So we're on the hunt for a futon now. Something quick and easy and temporary, so yeah. Okay, so after a full day of hustle and bustle, your girl did not get a couch, but I did find a rug that I really like. It's kind of like this white cream color. I really like it, but my only dilemma is whether it's gonna be big enough. It's only 5'3" and 7 feet. I don't know. So the stain resistant, easy care, superior strength and durability, rich plush pile, ultra soft yarn nail shed pile. Very cute. It's this Thomasville Ashton collection. I don't know. I think it's very cute, and I thought it would match my poof. Let's see if it does. I'm gonna put them next to each other real quick. I was really scared about this part. Really scared about this part. Oh, they look great together. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but this is about perfect because it matches my little blanket about perfectly. Let's see if it's long enough, big enough. It just depends on like what type of look I'm going for, to be honest. But I hope it's long enough because it's very soft and I really like it. If not, maybe I can find another one online. I got it from TJ Maxx and they didn't have a pricing on it, so they ended up giving it to me for like $49, I think. Have to look at it again. $49 or $59, one of those two, but really excited to open this puppy up. And about the towels, I went to Walmart and my family's coming into town. I don't know if I told y'all that, and I needed some towels for them and I need to be able to wash them, and they're coming tomorrow, so I just had to go with these white ones, and then I got some other white ones from Target whenever I was rushing and bushing. And then while I was at Walmart, I got this pack of 18 for only $3. Like, what? The one from Target, I think, was $5, and it only comes with a few. I don't know how many it comes with, actually. Not saying the wrong thing. Do not play Target. Hold on. This one came from out of, like, the Rooms to Go, so the Room Essentials, and it's an 8-pack, and I got it for like $5. 8-pack for $5 or 18 for like $3. Only thing is they didn't have a full white pack, or at least where I didn't see it, but that's fine. Not everybody wants a white washcloth, you know. You did a variety, so I got this variety one, and then I got this one. I actually like the quality of these better, so yeah. And get off my nails. I finally got these nails off. I didn't get this one off. Whatever. I'm trying to get it off so I can give my nails a break, start doing press-ons and stuff or whatever for a little bit. Yeah, because they are very thin right now. But yeah, I got white towels and then washcloths, and then yeah, we're just gonna see how that goes. And then I got me a little hat for FanFest tomorrow. I'm back and forth on whether I'm gonna vlog FanFest or not. I might give y'all a little clip because really this vlog is about home decor and stuff like that, but and moving in. But this is a little part of my life. I got this hat to wear tomorrow. I think I'm gonna wear this white tee, plain old white outfit. And then I got my brother a tee from Walmart. It's a Christian McCaffrey 22 jersey tee. And then my little sister from Target, because they didn't have one at one Target I went to, but I went to 2 different Targets today, and then I found one her size. Like, so cute. Like, what? Has the South Carolina and the North Carolina. Like, love it. Gotta love it. I got her a medium. I hope she can fit it. I really think she can. I didn't want to go large because I don't want it huge on her. It's like a little V-neck, but it's so stinking cute. Love it. But yeah, it's pretty much what my errands consisted of today. And I'm just gonna, oh, that girl is looking rough. I'm just gonna wash myself. I'm gonna unfold this carpet, check it out, see what it looks like. Y'all see my little filming section over here. And then I'm going to wash and then begin washing the clothes for the fam bam. I also got another blow up mattress because the futon was huge, y'all. I cannot get that up the stairs by myself tonight. So either I'm gonna get a temporary futon tomorrow whenever everybody gets here, but I ended up getting a blow up mattress for them for like whenever they are here, like sleeping, because I don't even have my bed yet and I don't have a couch for them to lay on. So moving chronicles, but it's okay. It's okay. We're gonna get there one day. We're gonna get there. Okay, so I'm gonna try to pop it open. So this is what we have going on so far. Kayla on FaceTime, she blasting music. Well, anyway, my little fold up chair that I showed y'all before. And this pillows. I got 2 pillows for my sofa for whenever I finally get one. I don't know if I ever showed y'all, but I got these 2 pillows. These are 50 by 50. No, 20 by 20, but 50 by 50 centimeter. And then I got the black covers, velvet covers, because I thought they were really cute. It's in the style Sanela, something like that. If it focused, there you go. For reference, these are the black like velvet ones. I think it would be really cute, and I thought these pillows were really soft whenever I tried them out. I'm gonna pop them open. I'm gonna pop one open just to sit in this chair, just to be cute or whatever. I just want to see what it looks like. And I really got these because they were choppable pillows for really cheap. And I think I'm gonna get like 3 more for my bed eventually. But this is what we got going on so far. The carpet seems pretty small, but whenever my sofa and everything comes in, I think it'll look way better. Like, I wish it was bigger, but it is what it is. And I don't know if I'm gonna find a carpet this color to match my poof. I think when like the space fills in, like say I get a TV situation going on here, like I'm thinking about getting an entertainment center, like a black one. I had one at IKEA that looks similar to this one, so except for it's thinner. So I think I'm gonna get that small little black one. That's gonna fill up space right there. Sofa's gonna fill up space. I'm thinking about maybe putting like a bar cart right here eventually when time goes on. I just think as time goes on, it's gonna fill up the space. And if I wanna find another carpet, if I can find another carpet exactly like this, if I can look up this brand or find it at TJ Maxx, I'll get it and maybe put the 2 together and kind of like disguise it or whatever. But I don't know, I love it. It's so freaking soft. I just love it. I love it so much. It's so cute so far, even though there's not much in the space. It's so cute. Got this little crazy little area. I think I put the poof down over here somewhere and moved the little IKEA bag, but it's getting cute in here. I see the vision. My hat look crazy because I was just trying on my other hat. Boom. And then I realized that my purse kind of goes, so I think I'm gonna wear them together. It's kind of off, but it's kind of on for real. I don't know. From far away, you may not be able to tell. I may wear like an all black fit with that and just let the blue speak for itself. Yeah, but for now I have a lot of laundry to do because I have to wash all these towels for them. But yeah, we're gonna get to getting all that done, and I'm excited to see where this, oh, it's looking so cute. And wait till I start hanging some stuff on the walls, y'all. I think it's gonna come out nice. I'm excited. got this thing plugged up. So we just pulled up to At Home. This is my first time going to At Home ever, so I'm excited to see what they have inside. I saw a bunch of other YouTubers online like speak highly of At Home and just find different little trinkets or whatever and storage stuff. I'm on the hunt for some storage stuff, maybe a plant, and then some side tables, maybe. If not, I'm gonna get the 2 that I saw at IKEA. But yeah, or a mirror of some sort. We're on the hunt for a lot of things. We're just trying to get this apartment settled in somewhat, and yeah, I'm checking out At Home today and I'm really excited, so let's go check it out. I'm not seeing much of anything that I'm like obsessed over, so I don't think I'm gonna get anything out of here. Now that I know, it's really overwhelming in here. I would say it's a lot of stuff everywhere, so I may end up coming back. I actually really like this. I like blankets and storage, but the strap is kind of broken. I don't know, but yeah, I'm gonna keep looking around, shopping around, and I'll keep At Home in mind. My sister is with me right now, and she wants to go somewhere else, so I think I'm gonna call it a quits today for the home decor shopping and just come back out another day. But yeah, this is really nice. There's a lot of stuff for real, for real.
It's not that I don't want you here.